Hello there, Secodi here again, and today we are looking at solar freezer. So this freezer in particular is 200 liters. This is an inverter freezer. So can you come closer? Let's take a look at what we have here. This is the inverter itself. So you plug this to the AC out in your house or office, and this goes to the freezer, while this goes straight to the inverter to help the conversion process power the freezer. And this is how it looks internally, the deep freezer. So this is brand new. We unpacked it for this video. So you can reach out to us via WhatsApp or direct call to get details, more details about this freezer, or maybe you want to get bigger capacity ones. You can also reach out to us. There's 300 watts, there is 15 watts. So whichever one serves your purpose, you can get it ready for you. If you are not interested in the deep freezers, you can get the standard ones. That's the fridge itself, the ones with double door and the one with single door. So dial that number and let's get started.